Okay, I'm going to go through 3 questions now from chapter 7. The first one is requiring us to calculate a number of days, so days between. So go to the calculator and then go to second date, and the first date is the September the 10th, 2011. So we put in 09.10. And remember, you have to put in the zeros. Never mind that the screen of the calculator doesn't show it, doesn't matter. And then an 11, no dot there. Enter. Now go down. It wants the second date, so we've got March the 4th, so that's going to be 03.0412. Enter. And then down, and then go to compute CPT, and that will give us days between dates. So we've got 176 days were between September the 10th and March the 4th over those years. Now we need to calculate what would be the rate of interest. Now notice that we have 176 days and I equals PRT. So divide both sides by PT, and R equals, that's what we want, I over PT. Next, we want to calculate that rate. So I is 42.49. We were told that you earned 42.49 interest. Divide by the principal, P, times the time, which is 176 over 365. And work it out, and you will find that the R, so I'm going to put a 4 there, R equals 42.49 divided by 357.053. Now that equals 0.119. So as a rate of interest, we'd probably want to write it as 11.9%. 11.9%. The next question, Mac's credit card, he had $360 in cash advances and 3.2 in interest rate. Okay, so now this question is asking us time. So I equals PRT, so therefore T equals I divided by PR. So T is the amount of interest, which was 3.2, 360, because it was the principal, he borrowed $360, and the interest rate is 13.5%, 0.0135, and that gives us 0.066. Now that is years. Remember, everything is in years. And the question says, for how many days? For how many days? So we need to multiply 0.66 by 365 to get it into days. So the answer will be 24 days. The third one is, now this is not using the I equals PRT, but this is calculating a maturity value. So we go S equals P1 plus RT. So S is the maturity value, and $40,000 was the principal. He borrowed or lent $40,000. 1 plus, and then the R was 0.0243 times the number of days. You know it's 240 days divided by 365. So you can work that out. Remember, inside the brackets, do the division part or multiplication part first, whatever it is. So we would go 240 divided by 365 times 0.0243. Let's do that again here on the calculator on the left. I'm going to write from the beginning. So the way I would do it goes 240 divide by 365 equals, then multiply it by the interest rate of 0.0243, 0.0243 equals, now we add 1, we keep everything inside the bracket, so it's plus 1 equals 1.02. Next, last thing, we multiply that by 40,000 times the principal, so we get 40639 is the answer. That will be the maturity value of the investment. Thank you.